Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to connect MIDI to interface updated. Plug your MIDI OUT into the interface in or use a USB MIDI cable, then power devices. Open your DAW, enable the interface as the MIDI input, and set the MIDI channel to match your controller. Test by playing keys and checking for incoming notes. Troubleshoot by swapping cables, updating drivers, or restarting devices for a quick fix. In your setup, identify whether your keyboard uses DIN or USB and choose the matching cable. Connect the keyboard's MIDI OUT to the interface's MIDI in or plug USB directly into your computer or interface. Secure connectors and route cables away from power adapters to reduce interference. Power on the devices in the correct order. Interface first, then the keyboard. Confirm LEDs or software indicators. Show active MIDI communication before recording. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and share with friends who make music. Quick recommendation: musical notes bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker. It's great for listening to reference tracks or setting a creative mood. Check the description for the link and other deals available. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. Open your DAW and select the interface as the MIDI device in Preferences. Then create a new MIDI track and set its input to the interface port. Arm the track and enable input monitoring so you hear sounds while playing. Assign the MIDI channel to match the controller or use Omni mode if needed. Route the MIDI track to a virtual instrument, then adjust latency and buffer settings to keep timing tight during performance.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.